10 interesting facts about the reptiloid conspiracy. 1. Where they came from. There are two different theories as to where the reptiloids came from. According to one, they were inhabitants of our planet. Their race went through all stages of evolution, mastered the movement between galaxies, and conquered other planets. But on Earth, for various reasons, their development fell into disrepair before their evolved descendants returned from outer space. By this time, humanity had already evolved. Because of this, the reptiloids simply existed parallel to humans. According to another theory, they came to our planet from outer space. Their home is located in the constellation Draco. This happened 1,000 years ago. Since then, they've been conducting experiments to improve the human genetic code. Gave technology that triggered stages of progress in human society. In parallel, the reptiloids run the leaders of almost all countries or occupy these positions themselves. 2. What a hierarchy they have. According to Ike, the author of the book about the reptiloids, they have a certain hierarchy. Some are half-breeds, others are absolute reptiloids. The latter are well aware of who they are and are endowed with the ability to change their appearance to human and back again. Interestingly, the disguise effect is achieved by changing the vibration of their aura. The human mind perceives the information flows of their appearance as the appearance of an ordinary person. Such disguise is perfectly successful, despite the fact that they differ in height from ordinary people. According to various sources, their size ranges from 1.5 meters to 3 meters. The half-breeds are unaware that they are reptiloids. But their bodies, which outwardly resemble the human body, have built-in functions that allow them to be controlled from the fourth dimension. They are, in fact, instruments for the creation of the New World Order. Within the main species, there are a variety of races that differ greatly in appearance. 3. How to define them. People who are reptiloid in their DNA structure have similar features. Their skin is not too dark, and their eyes are brown-green or blue. Sometimes they are able to change the color of their eyes. Their blood pressure is low, and they may have strange scars on their bodies. They have difficulty showing sincere compassion. That said, reptiloids are very intelligent and partial to a variety of sciences. Sometimes you can see glimpses of the true appearance of reptiloids. To do so, one must watch a video of them in slow motion. 4. Who among the famous people is a reptiloid according to public suspicion? Let's list famous people who have a specific appearance. Looking at many, you really can find a resemblance to the looks of reptiles. The Rockefeller family, the Rothschilds, members of the Windsor dynasty. U.S. Presidents include Bill Clinton, Hillary Clinton, Obama, and both Bushes. Representatives also include TV and movie stars. For example, Marilyn Monroe, Angelina Jolie, Bob Hope. You can also be a reptiloid and not even know it. 5. Blood peculiarities. According to some reports, pure reptiloids can consume human blood and brains, especially children's brains. It probably tastes better and is not as contaminated with poisons. There are also certain markers in the blood. Reptiloid people may have ancestors from ancient civilizations. 6. Bible. Mentions of reptiloids can even be found in the Bible. The most famous case is the serpent's temptation of Eve. In ancient times, reptilians were not disguised. Perhaps this is where the legends of the serpent Goranik came from. But at some point, relations with humans changed, and the reptiloids decided to hide their existence. This moment is referred to in history as the schism. 7. Snake imagery in the history of the world. Many religions, especially the ancient ones, have reptiles in one form or another. Many interesting statuettes, images, legends and stories about demigods or reptilian gods have survived to this day. 8. The connection to the Greys. In case you didn't know, there is supposed to be another kind of alien living on our planet all the time, conventionally called the Greys. According to mystery writer Jason Bishop, the Greys are actually controlled by reptiloids. Some argue that there are also individuals who are the result of crossbreeding between reptiloids and Greys. What binds them together and under what conditions they interact, one can only speculate. 9. Reptiloids and Illuminati. The Illuminati are considered a very powerful and well-known secret society. Stuart Swerdlow is convinced that they too are controlled by the reptiloids. The Illuminati are incredibly powerful and have the structure to control organizations from the CIA to the mafia of all nations. 10. What is their purpose? Such activity on the part of mere mortal people begs many questions. What is their purpose? One theory says that they need to mine gold. It is necessary for their home planet. With its help it can stabilize the atmosphere. According to another version, they simply have more physical and mental abilities than humans. Therefore they have every right to the power and control of a smaller race. There is another theory, according to which in the fourth dimension reptiles feed on the negative emotions of people. That is why constant conflicts are triggered, fear, jealousy and anger are provoked.